Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable push notifications with Firebase Cloud Messaging, full guide step by step clearly. To enable push notifications using Firebase Cloud Messaging, first, go to the Firebase console. Create a new project or select an existing project. Once inside your project dashboard, click on the gear icon in the top left corner and navigate to Project Settings. In the Project Settings, go to the Cloud Messaging tab. Here, you will find your server key and sender ID, which will be needed later. Next, integrate Firebase SDK into your application. For Android, add the Firebase dependencies to your build.gradle file. Sync your project with the Gradle files to include the newly added dependencies. For iOS, set up Firebase in your Xcode project using CocoaPods. Make sure to initialize Firebase in your main application file. Now, add the push notification capabilities to your app. For iOS, ensure you enable background modes and check remote notifications. On Android, ensure you have the necessary permissions in your Android manifest.xml. Next, implement the Firebase messaging service in your application. Create a new Java or Kotlin class that extends Firebase messaging service. Override the onMessageReceived method to handle incoming messages. You can customize the notification that displays when a message is received. Next, generate a Firebase Cloud Messaging token for your device. Use Firebase Instance ID.getInstance.getInstanceID to retrieve the token. Store this token on your server or database for later use. Now, you can send a push notification using the Firebase console. Navigate to the Cloud Messaging section and click on Send Your First Message. Fill in the notification title and body, and select your target audience. Click on Send to test the notification on your device. If everything is set up correctly, your app should now receive push notifications. Finally, monitor your app's performance and user engagement with the Firebase Analytics dashboard. By following these steps, you have successfully enabled push notifications using Firebase Cloud Messaging. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.